welcome back to another episode of Enjoy Northwoods. Back on the creek. Yeah, we had a bad storm last night. River's high and it was super high winds, and we got a big blowdown right in our spot. I'm gonna get this pack off and we're gonna do a little poking around, see what we come up with. All right, we are gonna poke around right in this rock dump. That blowdown is right where we were working this edge last time we were here. So I'm gonna grab my pan, and I did find a nice piece out in the middle there a few years back, so we're gonna poke around there today. All right, finally, let's get our pan wet. Not touching the bank, but just before it. Try to get this big rock in. Crawdad. And we got to watch for mussel beds. Can't do any digging in the river if there's any mussel beds. And tons of fossils in this. All right, we're going to head upriver since we're limited on the spots we can hit right in this section. We're going to go up. It's a little shallower spot. Used to be a pretty good spot, and I used to find some garnets, actually quite a bit of garnets back then. So we're going to go hit that and get something cooking. I'm starving, so stay tuned. Big buck. Just crossed the creek, up the hill. Fuck. He's coming down right here. Yeah, there he's gone. Dang it. Nice 8-point, at least. Cool. That made it worth it. No open fires. I'm just going to start a fire right here, and we're just going to get some charcoal going. Fat wood. Man, that sucks. I wish I would have got that buck on video. Oh well. Fat wood alone will take a spark. Shave it down, rough it up. I usually carry something. A little fire kit. We got some char cloth. I'm gonna put a piece of char cloth in there. I also got some dryer lint. All of this will take a spark. Dryer lint. So I'm gonna put dryer lint on the bottom, a piece of char cloth on top of it. I got a few sticks of fat wood, and also the fat wood around it. So this is super easy. The fat wood caught. The fat wood was the first thing to catch. The resin on it. Here's still, I'll put this back, and my piece of char cloth. Didn't even need it. And fat wood's available all over in pine trees. It's just hardened pine sap, and it's usually on the wound of a tree. The old stumps, the old branches off a stump, it looks like petrified. And that's just the resin. It burns real sooty though. That still was cool. The buck was coming right down here, gonna cross right in front of us. And it didn't see me till it almost hit the river. let that catch a little bit. Just a spark. Yep, been missing it. A few tails and a nice fillet. Couple of blues on a beautiful blue sky day. Creekside. Pretty hot. Really good. Wow, really good. These are pretty fresh. Oh, this is definitely how we do it. Funny, me and my buddies got lobster shells and crab legs all over the rivers up north. Good news and bad news. Good news is it's a freaking awesome day. Bad news is I'm down to like 6% in my battery. So I'm gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna hike back. I got a portable battery charger in my truck. We'll see how it goes. Got a nice fillet to eat still. But it might be the end of the video, but it's the beginning of the year. There's going to be a lot more to come, so. Always waiting for DNR to show up. Share a lunch with somebody. Amazing. Perfect. Cooked it on some applewood charcoal. Oh, I gotta show you this. It is like perfectly cooked. But anyways, if the battery cuts out, we'll see you on the next adventure. But stay tuned. Look how nice that's cooked. Nice fillet of bovine. We had a couple tails, a couple beers, working on a couple. But an awesome day. Well, that's it. My battery's on its way out. I had to apologize, but all in all, it was a fun day. We got 3 pans with gold in it, and the gold was in the clay. Those 3 pans, we got down to the clay, and the river's so high we can't get to the spots we really wanted to. And now that I'm at this spot, I don't have enough battery to share it. So still got out here. We had an awesome lunch, awesome day. Seen a big buck come crashing through. Wish I would have got that on film. But anyways, more to come. I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking me out. If you're new, hit like and share, subscribe. I appreciate it all. So until the next adventure, we'll see you guys around.